big day today, but the first goal today, it's try to sail like yesterday, because yesterday it was an amazing day for us. My team has done a fantastic job on board, and it was really perfect. So today we want to do the same thing.
Well, it's still all there to play for. We're still very close, and I think the most important thing is just to keep the wheels on the bus and go out there and put in a solid performance today.
The guys worked through the night, beams repaired, we're ready for action. Looks like a great day out there, a lot of breeze, but looking forward to it. Just want to get back on the water.
We had an error of judgment and went for a kind of a cross that wasn't going to happen, and yeah, Red Bull hit the side of us pretty hard.
Really happy. It's a great day and a fantastic event for us. We have sailed really well, and my crew have done a really fantastic job. So it was a lot of pleasure to sail with us. It's the middle of the championship, and now you keep the leadership. We are all on the top of the place, so I'm really confident for the next championship in Trapani.